Welcome back to the WOYOU channel. Today we are unboxing a brand new AnyBox Pro 2.4 GHz version. Last time we reviewed the 850 MHz version, and it was very impressive. Its profitability once survived the lowest point of the entire crypto market. So today we are bringing this AnyBox Pro. Will it continue the legend of the previous generation? Can it provide relatively high profits and survive this current downturn of the cryptocurrency market? Let's power it on and take a look. First, let's check the weight of the package. It's about 12.25 kilograms. Now let's weigh the machine itself. The net weight of the miner is 10.79 kilograms. The design of the AnyBox Pro looks very similar to those Bitcoin miners behind me. It also follows an industrial style design. It's very simple. There's a status indicator light and an Ethernet port, plus a power cable connector. The entire machine has a very minimal design. On the front, there are two high power cooling fans. But the back is a bit different from typical miners. There are no fans on the back. Does this design remind you of a classic Bitcoin miner? If it does, feel free to share in the comments. Let's plug in the power and test it. Make sure the power cable is plugged in firmly. Then connect an Ethernet cable and turn on the power. The hardware setup is now complete. Next, we'll configure the software. After connecting the AnyBox Pro hardware, we'll configure the software and wallet address. First, we need to go to the official website AnyBox shop. Scroll down to the bottom and download the software. Double-click to open the AnyBox software. The password is AnyBox. After opening it, set the start IP and end IP. Enter the correct IP range you are currently using. Then click Scan. Now we have successfully detected one AnyBox Pro miner. Next, we need to go to the official mining pool. Currently, AnyBox Mining only supports this official pool. There are no other pools. Since this is a 2.4 GHz per second machine, we need to use port 31557. If you don't want to copy multiple sections here, we will place it below the video with the correct port information. Copy this mining address. Add a colon. Then enter 31557. Copy the entire line and paste it into the fields below. For the worker field, enter your wallet address. I'll use XT Exchange as an example. Click Deposit in the top right corner. Under the token selection, type ANY. You will see the ANY token logo. Next, select this wallet address. This will be your mining worker name. Copy the address and paste it into the worker field. If you have multiple machines, you can add a dot after it. Then enter the name you want. For example, I add a 1 to distinguish this machine. You don't need to change the password. Leave it as the default. After confirming the information below, once everything is correct, click on the machine list. Right-click to fill in your information. Then confirm everything. The password remains AnyBox. The miner will now load your mining pool information and your mining wallet address. Now just wait for the miner to reboot. Now both the hardware and software setup have been completed. Next, let's run the miner and see how it performs. It has been running for about 15 minutes. All three hashboards are working normally. Let's check the power consumption at full load. It's about 1283 watts. The noise level means this machine is not suitable for home use. It is more suitable for mining farms or houses with underground garages. Based on our test just now, if port 31557 frequently disconnects, then we can switch to port 31566. Alright, that's it for today's episode. If you're interested in the AnyBox Pro, welcome to the WOYOU channel. Contact the WOYOU Group admin to get the latest miner updates and the best miner prices.